Brita filters, they're better than nothing. But unfortunately, when you compare it, Aquasana just really does a lot more as far as taking out contaminants and all other kinds of bad stuff in your water. So of course it's better than having nothing, but really just no comparison.
I'm Diana Welch, and I'm from Austin, Texas. Before I bought the Aquasana water filter, I did some research and I went to Consumer Reports, which is what I normally do, and I saw that it was the top-rated water filter system. And that pretty much was all I needed to know because I trust Consumer Reports as a source, and they rated it high in all categories, so I made the purchase that day.
My name is Gerald Jones, married, living in Cambridge, Mass. When I think about the taste of Aquasana water, it's fantastic. When I think about what I'm putting in my body, it's that much better.
My name is Raquel Suarez, and I live in Yonkers with my 2 children. They used to say New York City water was the best, but I think it's a myth. The best drinking water in New York is in my house because I have Aquasana.